In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Jira Atlassian. To get started, open Jira software and sign in with your Atlassian account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main Jira workspace where you can access your boards, recent work, and project tools. If you're new to Jira, don't worry. The setup process is straightforward and I'll walk you through the key parts so you know what each choice means. From the top navigation bar, click Projects, then select Create Project. This opens the project creation area where Jira gives you several template options designed for different kinds of work. Next, choose a project template. You'll usually see options like Kanban, Scrum, task tracking, and bug tracking. Kanban is great for continuous workflows, Scrum is ideal for sprint-based teams, task tracking works well for general to-do management, and bug tracking is useful if your team is focused on issue resolution. Pick the template that best matches how your team plans and completes work, then click Use Template or Next. After that, select the project type. Jira typically offers team-managed and company-managed projects. Team-managed projects are useful when a team wants more control over its own settings without relying heavily on central administration. Company-managed projects are better when your organization needs shared standards, more advanced configuration, or consistent workflows across multiple teams. Now enter your project details. Type in your project name, then review the project key. The project key is the short identifier Jira uses for issues, so it's worth making sure it's clear and recognizable. If Jira asks for a project lead, choose the appropriate person responsible for overseeing the project. Once everything looks right, click Create Project. Jira will automatically generate the new project and open its main project page. From here, you can customize the project to fit your team's needs. This may include adjusting issue types, workflows, permissions, notifications, and board settings. These options help shape how work moves through the project and who can access or update different parts of it. When your setup is ready, open Project Settings or People, then click Add People. Invite your teammates by entering their email addresses or selecting existing users already available in Jira. As you add them, make sure to assign the correct roles and permissions so everyone has the access they need. Finally, click Create to add your first issue. You can start creating tasks, stories, bugs, or epics depending on the type of work your team manages. From there, organize everything using the project's board or backlog. And that's how to create a new project in Jira Atlassian.